So Facebook, eventually on YouTube. All right. It's a it's a rainy St. Patrick's Day, y'all. Okay. Yep. It's raining hard and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Yep. It sure is a rainy day, you know. Okay. All right. Sure is a wet one out today, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. All righty. It's gonna be an all day rain today, you know. Yep. All day rain, you know. Uh huh. Yep. Yes, an all day rain. It said 100%, you know. Uh huh. 100% rain, you know. Yep. Uh huh. So I don't know what y'all doing out, you know. Yeah, you're doing errands or stuff like that. Go ahead and do that, you know. Uh huh. All right, and that's it. All right. Or no, that ain't it yet, you know. Okay. All right. All righty. And cut.